Good morning, children. Did you all by heart the trigonometric values? I think you all did, because some of the students sent me the answers. They were right also. See, you must be thorough with the table, children. You cannot write the table all the time. You should be thorough such that if I ask sine 60, then you must say the value immediately. Okay, our next concept, the most important and a little bit confusing concept, is trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Okay, children, you know what are complementary angles? What are complementary angles? If the sum of two angles is 90 degrees, if the sum of two angles is 90 degrees, then the two angles are called complementary angles. Then what are supplementary angles? If the sum of two angles is 180 degrees, then they are called supplementary angles. Now we are going to discuss about the complementary angles. Okay, so you know the sum of the two angles is 90 degrees, then those angles are called as complementary angles. So for that, for finding out the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles, again we are going to consider a right angled triangle. See, it is right angled at B. Right angled means the angle is 90 degrees. So what is angle B? It is 90 degrees. Okay, children. So when one angle is 90 degrees in a triangle, what about the remaining two? The sum of the remaining two angles must be equal to 90 degrees, because in a triangle, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degrees. This is called angle sum property. Yes or no? You know about it. So you know one angle is 90. Yes or no? So angle B, angle A plus angle C is equals to 180 minus angle B. So that is equals to 180 minus 90, which is nothing but 90. Okay, so what you have got? One angle is angle B is 90 degrees in a triangle. Then what about the remaining two? Angle A plus angle C is equals to 90 degrees. Okay, so till here we finished. Now again you consider this triangle. Okay, if one angle, let us consider angle A as x. Okay, then what will be this? If angle A plus angle C is equals to 90 and angle A is equals to x, then here angle A is equals to x. So if angle A is equals to x, then what about angle C? 90 minus x. So this will be 90 minus x. Okay, children. So now see, I have taken this triangle. For I am considering for angle A. Now we are going to find out the trigonometric ratios. Opposite side by hypotenuse, adjacent by hypotenuse, we know them. Yes or no? So here we are taking angle A as our base angle. Okay. Here we are taking angle A as our base angle. So here angle A is nothing but x. Okay, for this x, what is the opposite side? BC is the opposite side. Adjacent side is AB. Hypotenuse AC. Whenever you get a right angle triangle and if they ask you to find some trigonometric values, then you see which angle they are asking. For that angle, find out the opposite side, adjacent side and hypotenuse. Okay, if you write as soon as you see the right angle triangle for trigonometry, then there will be no confusion. So for here angle A is x, so for this opposite side is BC, adjacent is AB and hypotenuse is AC. So now we are writing the trigonometric ratios. Okay, sine A, here angle A is x, so I am writing directly sine x, opposite by hypotenuse. See here, I am writing here BC is opposite side, AB is adjacent side, AC is hypotenuse side. Okay, children. So sin x is equals to BC by AC. Here BC is opposite side, AC is hypotenuse. Cos x, tan x, cot x, secant x, cosecant x. You will be writing by seeing the triangle. Okay, children. Now you found the value for x, that is angle A. Now what about angle C? So here you know angle C is nothing but 90 minus x. So for that you will be see for 90 minus x is the base theta for us, base angle for us. For this, what is the opposite side? AB is the opposite side, BC is the adjacent side, and AC is the hypotenuse side. See, I am writing here AB is opposite side, BC is adjacent side, and AC is hypotenuse side. Okay, now again you are going to find out the trigonometric ratios. Okay children, sin 90 minus x, here C is the base angle, so here C is nothing but 90 minus x, so AB by AC, because opposite by hypotenuse. Cos is BC by AC, tan is AB by BC, cot is BC by AB. Okay, you know how to write. Now see, from angle A and from angle C. So what is our base first angle, first ratio? Sin x. Sin x is nothing but BC by AC. Here you see where you are getting BC by AC. Here you got BC by AC. Okay, let's see. Sin x is nothing but BC by AC for angle A. Then for angle C, sin 90 minus x is BC by AC. So I have equated. Similarly, cos x is AB by AC. Cos A is AB by AC here. Here, what is AB by AC? It is sin 90 minus x. I wrote here. Similarly, tan, cot, secant, cosecant, everything. So, from this, what can you conclude? Sin x is equal to cos 90 minus x. Cos x is equals to sin 90 minus x. Tan x is equals to cot 90 minus x. Cot x is equals to tan 90 minus x. Secant x is equals to cosecant 90 minus x. Cosecant x is equals to secant 90 minus x. Okay children, go through the video twice, thrice, you will be getting it clear, because you know how to write the trigonometric ratios using the sides. Okay, you write down individually. First see the video, try to understand. If you are not understanding, watch it twice, thrice, you will be clear with it. Then you can equate. Okay, now I am taking here x as theta. Okay, I am taking x as a theta, then what can you conclude? Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, cot 90 minus theta is tan theta, secant 90 minus theta is cosecant, cosecant 90 minus theta is secant. Children, today I gave you only the introduction for this trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. You must be familiar with it. You go through it thoroughly. Tomorrow I am going to discuss the examples on this. Okay, this is the most important topic children. You will surely get 3 marks out of this topic. Okay, surely. From trigonometry you will get one essay, one 2 mark, one half mark and one 1 mark. So altogether how many marks you got? 7.5 marks. From that, sure you will get 2 to 3 marks from this exercise. Okay children, I am going to discuss the examples tomorrow. Go through the video carefully and by heart this. Okay, you need not by heart. If you are familiar with the derivation, whatever I told you, then directly you can write these values. Okay children, have a nice day. We'll meet with a new video tomorrow. Bye.